Hey, this is Danielle. Tonight I wanted to look at Cloudflare because Cloudflare is one of my favorite tickers to trade. It's also one of my favorite stocks that I've been holding and buying more of this year. And I have noticed that it's setting up again. You can see right here that we have a squeeze on the daily chart setting up, and then we also have a squeeze on the 195-minute chart in addition to the 15. Let's check the 30. Nope, not the 30. 78 has already fired. So what I'm looking for in this ticker is for this thing to break out to the upside and to hit about 230, 240. I know it seems crazy because Cloudflare has already been on this just spectacular move, but I mean, honestly, if it was going to fall, the time for it to fall would have been post earnings because, well, that's what happens with stocks like this, that, you know, their earnings report comes out and things aren't as good as they seem, and then it just reverts back to the mean. But that's actually not what happened here. Cloudflare beat earnings and they're still holding up on the ADMA, and this has been a really good momentum stock. So while I'm not buying more shares here because I do think it's kind of high to be buying into shares, I do think it's good for an options trade. So what am I looking at? Well, I'm looking at a couple different things. I think selling the 200 puts would make sense, either just selling the puts by themselves or selling a spread. I also think that doing some debit spreads, targeting 220 and then 230 would make sense. The problem with that is this is such a momentum mover that it does make it difficult to determine, you know, what time frame you want to use. If you use the December time frame, the main issue that I'm seeing is that typically that rally after the December monthly expiration can be really good. So, and obviously we don't know if it's going to come through this year, but historically it does, right? So I don't mind using this series right here, but I'm honestly almost leaning towards going out even further. The issue comes with the fact that there's not really enough liquidity, so that would bring you all the way out into January. And at that point, it's going to be a lot more expensive. You're going to have a larger expected move. So, I mean, at that point, you know, you're targeting 250 instead of 230 or 225. So I'm looking at either targeting 250 by January, which I know seems crazy. I'm sure people are going to write on this video like, what is she talking about? This stock has already flown so far. But hey, as it's set up, it has relative strength, and that's what we trade, momentum. So what happens if I'm wrong? I would be wrong if the thing broke below, let's say 190. If it breaks below 190, if the squeeze fires to the short side instead of to the long side, that would be a problem for the long setup. However, if it did fall to 187 or 175, it would be a gift to pick up shares. 157 would be like, you know, Santa came early. So I'm going to trade the options on a short-term basis. Well, I guess not very short-term, out into December, January. And I will be stalking this ticker for any opportunity to pick up more shares. Cybersecurity is super hot. This company is very, very hot. They've shown really nice growth. And, I mean, I just think that this is going to be a continued up-and-coming area of the market. So if you want to join me for some live trading, I have my Mastery monthly live trading tomorrow. You can learn about that at simplertrading.com/profits. I'm also going to be teaching a class on Wednesday and Thursday if you want to join me there. It's going to be simplertrading.com/tree, TREE. Other than that, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day and your week, and I'll see you next time.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.